Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. Today I am going to discuss about sleep and its effect on athletic performance. So sleep has direct correlation with athletic performance. Good rested sleep can have positive effect on speed, accuracy, and reaction time for professional athletes. These are the three most important things to improve the performance on the field. Sleep deprivation and other sleep related disorder can leave you exhausted. And when your brain is exhausted, it affects your reaction time, which lowers your performance on the field. Poor sleep can lead to poor recovery. So professional athlete and also regular people that work out on regular basis recover at night. And if you are not getting a good quality sleep, the body is not having enough time to recover. The body is not recovering properly, which leaves you exhausted and leaves your body under a lot of stress next day. Good night's sleep is as important as nutrient for improving your overall athletic performance. So the way you track your macros, micros to improve your body fat percentage, to improve your muscle mass, you should also be tracking your sleep quality to improve your recovery time, which will improve your performance the next day. So I have talked about the importance of sleep in my multiple videos. I'm going to give you 5 most important things that you should do to improve your quality sleep. Go to bed and get up at the same time. This helps improve and regulate your sleep cycle. This will help you get a quality rested sleep at night. No screen time before sleeping. Avoid large meal, alcohol, and caffeine before bedtime. Create a restful environment in your bed. And take a supplement like magnesium, melatonin to improve your quality sleep, or if you are having trouble falling asleep. I'll discuss about the other supplement you should take to improve your sleep in my next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.